Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can get a soundboard in Gorilla Tag super easily. Let's dive into the video. First of all, of course, what I want to do is get a soundboard app to my PC so I can later access it from my PC and easily use it. For this, of course, we can't just play it from VR, we have to use it through Steam VR. We will use voice mod for this and we will go into voice mod website and download it. After downloading the app, we will open the app and use the soundboard feature from here to actually open the soundboard. After opening our soundboard, we will use any of the MP3 sounds we want and we will add them to the soundboard from this drag and drop place. And after doing that, we will be able to access these voices in the soundboard. After generally adding our sounds, and it can be any MP3 sound, it's of course up to you. After doing that, we will open, of course, voice mod again and see the sounds and go into settings. After going into settings, we will go into audio, and after going into audio, we will select the input device as our Oculus virtual audio device. If it doesn't show up, open your Oculus device or any other VR device, then make sure it is linked up to your PC and it is connected, and it generally shows up as an input and output device. For the output, we will again make it any output device we want to use. If you don't want to hear the soundboard voices, then do it anything other than the VR, but if you want to hear the VR sounds and general, of course, soundboard voices by yourself too, make sure your output device is your Oculus virtual device as well. When we are inside the game, like inside Gorilla Tag, we want to have our Steam VR. Steam VR is always open in the background, but to make sure to have its screen as well. When Steam VR is on, we will go to the settings, then go into audio settings again, and we will make our audio output device our normal audio output, whatever you use for your audio outputs. If you use your headphones, use the headphones. If you use your virtual audio device of the Oculus, make sure it's that. But for the inputs, we have to make our input the soundboard we want to use. So if you want to do your input device the soundboard and make sure your soundboard sounds are hearable, make sure your input device is the soundboard we want to use. After that, what we will do is actually go use a Steam VR feature to dock the monitor visual to our hand. That's why we use actually Steam VR. As you can see, Steam VR lets us generally put a monitor and put the visual any place in our hand. I will just, for example, take the monitor and just put it under my hand. So unless I just turn my hand like it's a clock, I won't be able to see the monitor and it won't distract me. That's why you can just, whenever you want to use it, you can just flip your arm around and use it that way. When we make sure it works, we will open voice mod on our PC again. And when it is on your monitor or in any part of the monitor, that way even when it is docked on our monitor and the monitor visual is docked on our hand, we will have easy access to our soundboard even when we are in VR. So yes, that way you will be able to just pop up the screen whenever you are in game and just press them by the VR buttons and everything super easily. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course for more videos like this, check out our channel. Have a great day and goodbye.